你好. Welcome to our online Chinese classroom. I am 石老师. 石老师. 石 is my family name. 老师 means teacher. So 石老师 means teacher 石. You can call me 石老师. Yes, before we start our lesson, I would like to ask you some questions. So what do you know about China? Yes, look at this map of the world. Do you know where China is? Yes, it is here. China is a country in Asia. How to say China in Chinese? It is 中国,中国,中国. So, where's the capital of China? It is here. It is 北京. Beijing. So, Beijing is the capital of 中国. Anything else that you know about China? Maybe you have heard about panda, 熊猫, 熊猫, or 太极, or 功夫. Yes. Now we are going to learn some Chinese language. 第一课你好 Lesson 1 Hello 你好 Could you please try to follow me? 你好 So look at here. Do you know what are these and what are these? Yes. On the top, these are called Pinyin. Pinyin. And these are the Chinese characters. So Pinyin helps you know how to read the characters, the pronunciations of the characters. So Pinyin tells you how to read these Chinese characters. And the Chinese characters are what we write. Okay? Yes, look at here. This is 你 means you. These are the pinyin, and this is Chinese character. So pinyin has 3 parts. Pinyin has 3 parts. This is the initial. And this, the black one, is the final. So I said there are 3 parts, right? There's still something on the top. This is the tone. So does English have any tones? No, but Chinese has tones. You should be very careful with the tones because different tones has different meanings. Different tones has different meanings. For example, this is the first tone. This is ma. The meaning is showing here. And this is the second tone. It is ma. The meaning is here. This is the third tone. This is ma. And this is the last tone. This is ma. So different tones. The meanings are different. So you should be very careful with the tones. And how many tones do we have? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 tones. And we still have another neutral tone. So look at here. These are pinyin, right? And could you please tell me what is the initial? Where is the initial? Yes, this is the initial. This is the final. On the top is the tone. So you can see the tone marks on the top. How many tones do we have? We have 4 tones. And we still have another neutral tone. Neutral tone doesn't have any tone mark on the top. Yes. And sometimes a pinyin can without an initial or a tone mark on the top, but it must have a final. Okay, but normally the pinyin has 3 parts. And this is the Chinese character, 汉字. What's this character? This is 你, means you. Okay, and look at here. Yes, here are the pinyin, and here are the Chinese characters. Could you please guess what does this word mean? I'm gonna read it for you. This is 班歌, 班歌 means 班歌. Interesting, right? Now we are going to learn the first dialogue. Yes, how to say hello. It is 你好, 你好. Follow me, 跟我读. 你好, 你好. Very good. Now I'm gonna say hello to you, and then you say hello to me. 你好. Now you say hello to me first. 你好. Could you please say hello to Panda? 你好. Okay. This is hello. 你好. What do they want to say to each other? They are greeting to each other. They want to say 你好. Okay, look at this picture. They are also greeting to each other. When they say 你好 to him, it is a little bit different. He should say 你们好. It also means hello, but a little bit different with 你好. They say 你好 to him, and he should say 你们好. Follow me, 跟我读. 你们好. 你们好. So 你们 also means you, but it means more than one person. If you want to greet to more than one person, you'd better say 你们好. Okay, so one more time. They are going to say 你好, and he's gonna reply with 你们好. 你们 also means you, but it means more than one person. 你们好 also means hello. Okay? So now I'm gonna be A, you are gonna be B, you're gonna be him. So I'm gonna say hello to you, then you reply. Now let us do it. 你好. Then I'm gonna be B, and you're gonna be them. So you say hello to me first. 你们好. 你们好. Now, could you please do this dialogue by yourself? What do they need to say? And he replies, 很好 means very good. So 你 means you. 好 means good. If I translate literally, it will be you good. But you good in here is hello. Any questions? Okay. Now look at here. She is a teacher. So she is 老师. 老师. Follow me. 老师. 老师. 很好 means very good. 很好. If the kids want to say hello to teacher, what do they say? They can say 老师好. 老师好. 跟我读 Follow me. 跟我读老师好. 很好. 老师好. And the teacher wants to say hello to the kids. Remember, it is more than one person, right? They are more than one kid. So, the teacher should say, 你们好. 你们好. Okay, now you guys say hello to me. You go first. 你们好. Now I go first. 你们好. Yes, so how to say hello to the teacher? How to say that? One more time, please. And the teacher says what? Okay. If there's only one kid, he still says 老师好. But the 老师 should reply with 你好. Why is it different? Because they are more than one person. So the teacher should say 你们好. But in here, there's only one kid. So the teacher just needs to say 你好. Now this time, you say hello to me, please. And I say 你好. 你好. Okay? She is a 老师. Yes, 老师. Who am I? I am 石老师. 很好. Very good. 很好. Now, we are going to continue with the last dialogue in this lesson. It is, so look at this picture. They want to say goodbye to each other. How to say goodbye? It is 再见. 跟我读，再见，再见，很好。Now you say goodbye to me, please. 再见。Now I say goodbye to you and then you reply, please. 再见。很好。Now you just try to say goodbye by yourself. Could you please say goodbye to Panda? 再见。很好。So today, what did we learn? Let us think about this question together. At the very beginning, we have learned where China is. China is a country in Asia. And how to say China in Chinese? It is 中国. And where's the capital? It is here. The capital of China is Beijing. And then we meet Mr. Panda, 熊猫. And next we've learned how to say hello. It is 你好. And then we've learned the Pinyin and the Chinese characters. How many parts are there in Pinyin, in one Pinyin? There are 3 parts: initial, final, and the tone. How many tones do we have? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 tones. So tones, you have to be very careful with the tones. It is different with English language, right? Yes. And then we've learned how to say 班歌 in Chinese. It is 班歌. Both of them are the first tone. We're gonna learn tones later. And then we've learned how to say hello to each other. Yes, it is 你好. And then we've learned how to say hello to more than one person. It is 你们好.你们好. One more time. Yes. And then we've learned how to say hello, teacher. It is 老师好. And we've learned how to say very good. 很好. Yes. And then we've learned how to say goodbye. It is 再见.再见. 很好. And now we have to do some homework for today. So here is the homework for today. The first one, say 你好 and 再见. 你好 and 再见. Hello and goodbye 5 times every day. You can say hello and goodbye to your mom and daddy and your siblings. And then please write the pinyin for 你好 5 times in your notebook. Now let us try to write down the pinyin for 你好 together. How to write 你好, the pinyin? Yes, it is 你好. You can write it down right now. Yes, it is 你好. Okay, so thank you very much. See you next time. 再见.